2021 we have Abrahaminkatu 15, basically in Helsinki as well as Finland, Finland. We've also been restricted to say here. First floor is the lowest one, it was built in 2007, the serial number is 2003, and the capacity is 8 persons or 600 grams generic, but with letters on the high floors that will be inspected in 2023. It's due to these letters that we're filming them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they're of course not that special, but better than arm slipped.
Yeah.
And the staircase is beautiful.
Yeah.
And we just filmed the two CMAG editions from 1993, and the triangular one is the most unique one in Finland.
Yeah.
We've found only one in Finland so far here, which is triangular.
Yeah.
I can press the first floor. That's it. And of course you can also stick it stay here or so. And they
That's